Are you looking for the best video doorbells? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best video doorbells on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Ring Battery Doorbell, 2024. The Ring Battery Doorbell offers enhanced security with its head-to-toe video feature, giving you 66% more vertical coverage to see everything happening at your door. The built-in battery makes recharging easy through a USB-C port, allowing you to keep it powered without hassle. Installation is a breeze. Simply charge it, click it into place, and connect to your phone for instant access. With live view and two-way talk, you can see and communicate with visitors in real time, ensuring you never miss a moment at your doorstep. What we like: easy installation, clear video quality, good battery life, user-friendly app, affordable price. What we don't like: minor lag time, requires subscription plan. Number 2. Orbitell Wi-Fi Video Doorbell Camera. The Orbitell Video Doorbell offers a range of features designed to enhance your home security and convenience. With two-way audio, you can easily communicate with visitors or even your pets from anywhere. The motion detection alerts you instantly whenever movement is detected, keeping you informed and secure. Night vision ensures that you can see clearly in low light conditions, so you won't miss anything after dark. Plus, with cloud storage, your video recordings are safely stored online, allowing for easy access and backup whenever you need it. What we like: clear video quality, easy installation, user-friendly app, good battery life, great value for price. What we don't like: weekly battery charging. Number 3. Ring Battery Doorbell Plus. The Ring Doorbell Plus offers an impressive head-to-toe HD Plus video feature, allowing you to see a wider view of your doorstep. You can also feel secure at night with its color night vision, which helps you identify visitors after dark. With motion detection, you'll receive alerts whenever someone approaches, ensuring you never miss a delivery or visitor. Additionally, the Package Alerts feature notifies you when a package is detected in a designated area, giving you peace of mind about your deliveries. These features work together to enhance your home security and keep you informed. What we like: high video quality, easy installation, reliable Wi-Fi connection, functional features, long battery life. What we don't like: battery needs regular charging. Some features may be unnecessary. Number 4. TP-Link Tapo D210 Smart Doorbell. The Tapo D210 doorbell camera offers impressive features to enhance your home security. With its 2K resolution, you can see clearer details and easily identify visitors. The 160 degrees ultra-wide field of view ensures you won't miss anyone at your door. You can also answer visitors directly through phone calls, eliminating the need to open an app. Additionally, activity zones let you focus on specific areas, reducing unwanted alerts and enhancing your peace of mind. This combination of clarity, convenience, and customization makes the Tapo D210 a valuable addition to your home security setup. What we like: excellent video quality, easy installation and setup, customizable motion detection, local storage options available, good battery life. What we don't like: occasional sound recording issues. Night mode settings may need adjustments. Number 5. AOSU Wireless Doorbell Camera with Triple Motion Detection. The AOSU Doorbell Camera Wireless offers a 5MP Ultra HD resolution, 40% improved from 2K, with 7 advanced ultra-clear optical glass lenses for sharp and detailed images. It also features triple motion detection with advanced radar and PIR sensors, and intelligent human detection to prevent false alerts. With 60 days loop recording and 180 days of front door coverage from one charge, there is no need for a monthly fee. The camera also has a 166 degrees field of view with no blind spots for full coverage. It works with Alexa and Google Assistant. What we like: Crystal clear video quality. Easy wireless installation. Effective battery conservation tips. Access to USB port for charging. Good compatibility with mesh routers. What we don't like. App interface could be improved. Video playback is herky-jerky.